Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by locating the unwanted video in search so you act precisely. Open search and enter the exact keyword or hashtag that shows the clip. Once found, tap the video and immediately tap the three-dot menu to expose report and hide controls. You should record the uploader, timestamp, and reason, because clear evidence speeds removal. After that, choose report for inappropriate content or not interested to signal the algorithm. This first step creates the record Instagram uses to take action. Now you execute the core actions. Select report, then pick the most specific violation category, for example, harassment, nudity, or misinformation, and complete all prompts. Once done, make sure to also tap not interested to teach Instagram's algorithm to stop showing similar videos. If a remove from search or remove similar content option appears, use it. Repeat this sequence for each duplicate clip, and if the uploader persists, block or restrict them to limit future visibility. To finish, monitor your report's inbox for updates. Instagram often responds in 48 to 72 hours, so be patient but persistent. Once done, clear the app cache and update Instagram, then deliberately like and engage with preferred content to retrain recommendations. If nothing changes, escalate. Use the copyright or appeal forms, or submit another report referencing prior report ID. One key troubleshooting tip: if reports stall, take screenshots, note report numbers, and contact.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.